What if your home stood where an entire generation learned to dream? Once upon a time, this wasn't a quiet street in Waterford. It was Burt Elementary School, a beloved community landmark where kids once ran, laughed, and built their futures. Today, that same land has been reborn, transformed into something extraordinary, a modern colonial that carries a century of stories in its soil. Welcome to 581 South Winding Drive, where Waterford's past and future meet under one roof. Built in 2020, this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath colonial blends modern comfort with timeless charm. Inside, you'll find freshly painted walls, bamboo flooring throughout, and an open, light-filled floor plan that feels calm, connected, and perfectly designed for everyday life. The kitchen is the heart of it all, featuring quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a spacious dining area that seamlessly flows to the backyard. From weeknight dinners to weekend gatherings, this layout was made for real life, and it's as functional as it is beautiful. Step outside to your private retreat, a fully privacy-fenced backyard with a built-in sprinkler system that keeps your lawn lush all summer long. It's the perfect space for morning coffee, family barbecues, or a fire under the stars. And with a 2-car attached garage, convenience starts the moment that you pull in. Upstairs, you'll find all 3 spacious bedrooms, each offering a cozy retreat filled with natural light. The primary suite is a highlight, featuring his and hers walk-in closets and a double shower head in a spa-like private bath. Every morning feels like a reset, and every night feels like home. The second-floor laundry adds convenience, and the water softener system ensures comfort in every detail. Below it all lies opportunity, a spacious, unfinished basement, clean, open, and ready to be transformed. Whether you envision a gym, a home theater, or extra living space, the possibilities here are endless. This is the kind of neighborhood where friendly faces and kids playing outside are still the norm. You'll find yourself biking through the community, waving to neighbors, and soaking up that small-town warmth that makes Waterford special. And when the snow falls, this same lake becomes a playground for ice fishing, skating, and cozy winter nights by the fire. Perfectly positioned, 581 South Winding Drive keeps you close to everything that matters. Just 5 miles from Target, 8 miles from Great Lakes Crossing, and minutes from shopping, dining, and recreation. Golf lovers will appreciate the nearby Pontiac Country Club, a Waterford classic where friendships and fairways meet. And when you're hungry, Bryan's neighborhood Coney, recently visited by Kelce himself, and it's just around the corner, serving hometown flavor with a side of community pride. From chalkboards to quartz countertops, from playgrounds to private patios, this land has seen generations grow, and now it's ready for yours. Because 581 South Winding Drive isn't just a house. It's the next chapter in Waterford's story, beautifully built, thoughtfully designed, and waiting for the right family to make it their own. Welcome home.